Welcome children in bio class. Today I am going to explain you about auxin. Auxin is a generic name given to the growth hormone produced by the tip of a coleoptile, especially required for elongation process. Auxin has taken from Greek word auxen. Its English meaning is to grow. The idea of the presence of auxin in plant was conceived by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin lighted the bulb and he found the tip of the coleoptile bend towards the light, and when the tip of the coleoptile is removed, that is de-tipped coleoptile, then it is not bending towards the light. So from this experiment, Charles Darwin concluded at the tip of the coleoptile some substance is present which is responsible for curvature. Other experiment is experiment of Benson-Janssen of phototropism. Benson-Janssen observed that the ability of phototropic response is lost by the decapitation of the tip, and it will recover when the tip is replaced on the stem. So in this figure you see tip has cut, then phototropic response is lost, but when it is placed again on the tip, then it will recover. Therefore curvature occurs when the tip is replaced on the stump. In the next experiment, their mica plate is inserted from the shaded side, then there is no curvature. So when mica plate is inserted in the tip of the coleoptile on shaded side, there is no curvature. But when mica plate, so in this experiment, no curvature when mica plate is inserted. But in the second experiment, when mica plate is inserted on lighted side, then tip is going to bend. It means it is showing the phototropic response. So phototropic response from the Benson and Johnson experiment, the conclusion is phototropic response is lost by decapitation of the tip. It recovered when the tip was replaced on the stem. Now next experiment was done by the F.W. Wendt. F.W. Wendt demonstrated by simple experiment that the tip of the coleoptile synthesized some growth causing substance, and that growth causing substance is responsible for the phototropic response. He cut the tip of oat coleoptile and replaced on rectangular block of agar. Then from the tip, the growth causing substance diffused in the rectangular block, and after that rectangular block he transfer on the stump. Then he found that coleoptile is showing the phototropic response. So from that, F.W. Wendt concluded the tip of the coleoptile synthesized growth causing substance. It migrates down and induce the growth. He called this chemical substance as auxin. So auxin is found in the plant in the growing tip, and auxin is synthesized in one tissue. It is translocated to the other organ of the plant. Auxins have many physiological functions. First is root elongation. The primary physiological function performed by auxin is the elongation and growth of the stem and root, enlargement of many fruits. Auxin is responsible for apical dominance. When apical bud is present at the tip of the stem, it will suppress the growth of lateral bud. So this phenomena is called apical dominance. Auxin initiate the root formation. Next is abscission. Abscission is the detachment of plant organ such as leaves, flower and fruit. Natural abscission takes place due to reduction of auxin content. So auxin, when applied, then abscission can be prevented. Auxin is responsible for callus formation and cell division. Auxin is also responsible for flower initiation and sex expression. Application of auxin to cucurbits reduce the number of male flowers and increase the female flowers. Auxin is used in agriculture. Nowadays, a large number of synthetic auxins are available in the market, and that is used by the farmers in the agriculture. 2,4-dichlorophenolic acid, that is 2,4-D. Naphthalene acetic acid, indole acetic acid, these are the synthetic auxins, and they are used by the farmers. They are spread by the farmers for preventing sprouting of potato and onion bulbs, and they are used for maturity and ripening of fruits.